Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the image and immediately duplicating the background layer so you never lose originals. Once done, zoom to 100% to inspect the target area and set guides if you need alignment. Create a new blank layer above duplicates to paint or clone onto. This keeps edits reversible and lets you tweak opacity later. Make sure your healing and clone sources are sampled from current and below when appropriate, because that choice changes how textures and lighting blend. You now select the object using a lasso or the pen tool. Keep the selection slightly generous and add a 1/3px feather so edges blend. Next, try content-aware fill for a fast result. Choose sampling area options and let Photoshop analyze nearby pixels. If that's messy, use the patch tool with source set to the object and drag to a clean area. After the main removal, refine with spot healing and clone stamp on a fresh layer, matching texture and luminance for realism. You finish by matching tone and texture so the edit disappears. Use curves or levels adjustment layers clipped to your edit to match contrast, then add subtle noise or a tiny Gaussian blur on a separate layer to match film grain. If you see seams, resample cleaner source areas, lower your brush hardness, or use frequency separation to independently fix color and texture. Finally, zoom out and toggle visibility if something still looks off. Undo the last step and try a different source patch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.